Here are the tools you need as a Blender artist. So we'll break these down into two categories: beginners and hobbyists, and freelancers and aspiring game designers. So we'll start with the first stage, the beginners and hobbyists. So if you're a beginner and a hobbyist, the only thing you need is a computer that meets Blender's minimum system requirements, a keyboard with a number pad, and a mouse. This is just so you can get familiarized with the fundamentals of Blender and get familiarized with the workflow. You want to be a freelancer or an aspiring game designer, then I suggest getting a computer with a powerful graphics card so you can have faster render times, and I suggest getting a graphics tablet so you can get more detailed 3D art. Regardless of whether you're a beginner or a freelancing 3D artist, you must be willing to learn so you can be prepared to face the obstacles you will encounter, and you must have a vision of what you want to create using Blender. There you have it. This is the gear that you need as a 3D artist using Blender. Thanks for watching and have a good day.